Hi, I'm Rob Swetsloot from Linux User and Developer Magazine. Today we got a short unboxing video of the Raspberry Pi 2. Shouldn't take too long, it's not a very big box. So open it up, and inside we have an anti-static bag with the Raspberry Pi 2 inside. May notice it looks quite a lot like the Raspberry Pi B+, both very similar shapes. We'll get to why that is in a bit. But yep, this is definitely a Raspberry Pi 2. I don't know if we can zoom in and show the 2-bit there, but either way, this is actually a pre-production model. The only differences between this and the final one, which you're probably seeing pictures of right now, is that they are a bit different coloured. I believe a lighter green on the board is the idea with it. So yep, as I said, very similar to the B+. So we got the 4 USB ports right here, Ethernet port there. HDMI, sound, camera, etc. Exact same layout. What you can't see on this side is that the RAM is now underneath the Raspberry Pi 2, and this is because one of the methods of making Raspberry Pi original was they used a package-on-package circuit method, which meant the RAM was able to be kind of with the chip inside it originally. Explain in a bit why that has changed, but yep, exactly the same size as the B+, and in fact the B+ was originally designed for them to originally do the 2 with enough space for the slightly larger chip. The chip now is a 2836, which is a slight update on the 2835, which is just the original Broadcom chip in the Raspberry Pi B. And the A, of course. What they did is switch out the CPU for a quad-core ARM v7 CPU, added a half a meg of cache, 512 kilobytes, and it clocks at about 800 megahertz, although apparently they've got up to 900 themselves. Early tests say it's 6 times the speed of the original Raspberry Pi Model B, but because of this new CPU, that's why they had to put the RAM on the underside of the board. Otherwise, yes, again, a micro SD card right there. If you want to compare it to the original Raspberry Pi Model B, again, it's like the B+, it's slightly more flush because of the way the USB ports are done, and yeah, there's no extra like video ports pointing out or anything like that. Compared to the A+, here we go. Again, similar, it's very small, but yeah, there we go. Apparently there are no plans for a Raspberry Pi 2 Model A just yet, so this is the one you're going to be getting. What else have we got? Yes, I've lost it now, here we go. So it comes with a new version of Raspbian, which we got in a pop SD card here, but again it's micro SD, so it just plugs in at the bottom, right like this, snaps in. And one of the new things they've got for the Raspberry Pi Model 2 is an official Wi-Fi dongle. Now this also just plugs into the USB there, and apparently has higher gain than most of the current USB dongles on the market right now. Otherwise, it's very much a similar piece of kit. Let me put this back on down here for you. And yeah, it works with all the previous Raspberry Pi stuff. Of course, there might have to be some new operating systems for it to work, but all your previous projects and such will work on here, especially now it's got the standard 40 GPIO pins like the B+. Yep, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.